Hi everyone, it's Chrissy again here, your esthetician at Bay Area Cosmetic Dermatology. Today we are going to tackle dry skin, which a lot of you have been asking about. It's so easy to do at home with just a few key steps, and really I want to say that your skincare should not take more than a few minutes. A lot of us are busy, and now with this shelter in place, some of us are trying to juggle so many more things at once. But if you can just take 1 to 2 minutes in your skincare routine every morning, every night, that's really all you need. And this is something that will stick with you for a lifetime. Your skin will thank you later, and you'll thank yourself. So I want to mention my favorite product. One of my favorite products. This is a Clarisonic, and it takes 1 minute to do this. You don't have to do it every day. It's easy to keep in the shower because it gets a little bit drippy. You go into 4 quadrants, 20 seconds on your forehead area, 20 seconds down your nose and mouth area, 10 seconds on your right cheek, 10 seconds on your left cheek. It's that easy. You rinse it off. I turn it on again to do a little bit down the neck. Do that with a little bit of my Obagi gentle cleanser. You can also use any of our other gentle cleansers. We like the SkinCeuticals enzymatic cleanser, which I also have here. This is a light enzymatic exfoliation. It's enzymatic, so it's an acid-based product, and it actually doesn't have that harsh, beady texture to it, which we pretty much like to avoid any micro tears on our skin. You can use a mask out of HA5 or HA Intensifier, SkinMedica or SkinCeuticals respectively. These are hyaluronic acid-based products that help to increase the hyaluronic acid levels in your skin. We naturally produce this in our skin, so it helps with that natural plumping effect. We like to also use a moisturizing serum. This is CE Ferulic by SkinCeuticals, and this has an L-ascorbic acid, vitamin E, and ferulic acid, which help to reduce oxidative stress. An antioxidant is so important to help prevent oxidative stress. It helps protect you from the sun a bit better because you're not getting that pollution and everything in your skin. And then I'm going to mix some of this up with my BioCream. Now, any of our lipid moisturizers can work for this. If you have SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid, Skinbetter, Trio Moisturizer, our Restorative Cream by Topix, any of those will do. And I'm going to follow up with a little bit of sunscreen because this is our #1. So super easy. I've brought a bowl here with a little tiny cute spoon. And I am going to put some hyaluronic acid in here. This is the HA5 couple pumps, followed by some BioCream. And I'm going to be going outside directly after this, so I'm just going to put in a little bit of my CE Ferulic so that I have that antioxidant base. These are things that you can actually, the beauty of this is you can leave it on your skin. So I'm going to mix this up. Nice little paste here, and just put it all over the skin. You can leave this on. Super ultra moisturizing. Want to go down the neck and décolletage. Tops of your hands. And that's it. Leave it on and put a little sunscreen on after that, and you're all set. You're all moisturized. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.